COVID vaccines are seen by experts as the best way to tackle this global pandemic. All the vaccines must meet a high standard of safety and effectiveness and go through rigorous trials before they're approved for use. But misleading or false claims about them keep spreading. Here's some of the main ones and why they're wrong. There's a microchip or a tracking device. This baseless conspiracy theory claims Bill Gates wants to use the vaccine to microchip people, something he's never said and strongly denied. Despite this, the rumour has spread on social media feeds from Pakistan to Argentina. There is no microchip or tracking device storing any personal information in any vaccine. The vaccine contains pork or beef. This rumour raises particular concerns for some religious communities. The Pfizer, Moderna and Oxford AstraZeneca vaccines contain no animal products. It's true that pork gelatin has been used to stabilise other vaccines when in storage, but not these ones. The vaccine will change my DNA. This is not backed up by any science. Vaccines train your immune system to produce antibodies to fight viruses. To do this, some vaccines, like the Pfizer one, use a fragment of the virus's genetic material to teach the body to recognise and protect against the virus in the future. But this does nothing to the DNA of the human cell. The vaccine contains aborted fetus cells. Scientists say there are no fetal cells in any of the vaccines. There is a step in the making of many vaccines that involves cells grown in a lab. This technique was first developed in the 1960s and uses cloned cells from a legally aborted fetus, which would otherwise have been destroyed. Oxford AstraZeneca developed their COVID vaccine with this widely used technique, and the UK regulator told us that no fetal material ends up in the final vaccine. It's all removed in the manufacturing process. The vaccines can make women infertile. None of the data studies so far indicates any harmful effect on fertility. The UK's Royal College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists says there is no biologically plausible way for the current vaccines to cause any impact on women's fertility. Even after trials are done and vaccines are approved, their effects are continually studied. Unfortunately, there are people exploiting kernels of truth and genuine concerns, so it's important when reading into vaccines online to always consult trusted sources like the NHS and the World Health Organization.